Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. Our today's topic is light and materials. In our previous lesson, we have learned that light is a form of energy that enables us to see all things around us. You all know that we have some natural light sources and some man-made light sources. And the sun is the main light source. How many sources of light can you list and explain? We have listed some light sources like sun, fire, lightning, firefly, flashlight, light bulb, laser beams, optical telephone fibers, and traffic lights. Out of these, sun, lightning, and firefly are natural light sources. Materials and light. Different materials allow different amounts of light to pass through them. There are three different types of materials that light will or will not pass through. They are transparent, translucent, and opaque. Let's have a look on transparent materials. Light can pass through transparent material. Transparent materials allow almost all the light to pass through them. Some examples are clear glass and clear plastic. Glasses, magnifying glass, window, all these are some examples of transparent materials. Translucent. Partial light can pass through translucent material. Translucent materials allow some light to pass through them. Some examples are frosted glass and frosted plastic. Opaque. No light can pass through opaque material, as you can see in this picture. Opaque materials do not allow light to pass through them. Some examples of opaque objects are given here, like wood, rubber, and metal. Here we have some examples: transparent object, translucent object, and opaque object. You can see water is transparent, tracing paper is translucent, and apple is example of opaque object. Let's wrap up our lesson. Materials through which things can be seen clearly are known as transparent. They are glass, water, etc. Materials through which things can be seen but not clearly are known as translucent. Examples are butter paper or an oily patch on paper, etc. Materials through which things cannot be seen are known as opaque. Examples are book, rock, etc. You can see we have translucent, transparent, and opaque objects here. The light from the transparent is passing, all light passes through. From translucent, some light passes through, and from opaque, no light passes through. Here we have some examples of translucent, transparent, and opaque. Lampshade, sunglasses, wax paper, and sheet of paper are examples of translucent. Window panes, plastic bag, plastic wrap, or glass beaker are examples of transparent materials. Mug, trees, plastic cup, and book are examples of opaque materials. It's time to do copy work. Draw margin lines, mark date and day, start your work. Write question number 1. What are transparent materials? Give examples. You have to draw related pictures as well. Question number 2. Define translucent materials. Give examples. Question number 3. What are opaque materials? Give examples. Wish you best of luck. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz. Thank you for your attention.